Welcome back, editors. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Viggle AI app to create amazing dancing clips. And along with that, I'll also teach you how to add this kind of transition. So make sure to follow all my steps carefully and watch the video till the end. All the materials used in this edit will be provided on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so make sure to join. The color grading used in this video is also linked in the description. Go check that out as well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and set the bell icon to all. Let's get started. Open the Viggle AI app. You can find this app on the Play Store. Select Most Popular. Click on the first option. Tap on Remix. Now, using any of the three characters, you can insert a photo and change their body and look. Click on the lizard character. Here you'll find a lot of anime characters and many other types of characters too. Choose any character you like and click on it. If your character is not available in this list, you can download its PNG and upload it manually. Just follow the steps exactly like I'm doing. After finishing everything, wait for a while. Then click on it, tap the share icon, and download it. You can find this edit on my Telegram channel. Simply download it and add it to your timeline. Then remove the music and manually add beats over the music just like I'm doing. Follow my steps exactly this way, and you'll be able to recreate this edit. All the materials used in this video are available on my Telegram channel, and the link to the Telegram channel is in the description. And yes, CapCut Pro, the one I personally use, is also available there. I've shared that too. First, freeze this part of the clip. Then bring it down and remove the background just like I'm doing. You can also use Photo Room to remove the background. Go to Adjust and reduce the blue color. Make sure the character stays between the frames. Use the quad out graph between all the keyframes. Bring this clip down and adjust it just like I'm showing. And again, use the quad out graph. Now bring this one down too, remove the background, and add keyframes to adjust it just like I'm doing. Use the quad out graph here as well. Bring this clip down and adjust it just like I'm showing. Add keyframes and adjust it just like I'm doing. Use the quad out graph here as well. Now bring this one down too, remove the background, add keyframes and adjust it just like I'm doing. Use the quad out graph here as well. Go to Effect, select Shake, and adjust it like I'm doing. Go to Effect and select Oblique Blur and adjust it like I'm doing. After that, duplicate it once. Go to Effect and select Shaky Glitch. Adjust it as I'm showing, and apply it to all clips. Then go to Transition, select X-Shake, and apply it to all clips as well. Whatever effects you've applied to this clip, apply the same effects to all the other clips too. Sorry, I haven't been able to upload even one full video this week because I've been a little busy, but I'll try to upload at least 2 full tutorials per week from now on.